So the 727 lining up on the runway. Very successful aircraft, passenger aircraft this time, now used for a very different purpose by the Oil Spill Response Unit, Oil Spill Response Limited. Emergency registration goes past on half. Had some really good information on in Hall 4, stand F110, Hall 4, F110. There's a celebration going on to launch the Eurasia Air Show in Turkey. That is hot off the press as of only 4 minutes ago. So Eurasia Air Show in Turkey just been announced. A celebration going on now in Hall 4 with stand F110, which of course Farmer International Limited will be assisting greatly, as they do with the Bahrain Air Show and various other shows around the world. So 4 minutes from knowledge to out, that's pretty slick. I won't keep that up for the rest of the week. Back as the 727 comes in, this is the industry's leading company in oil spill response. They are ready to go, response and intervention service worldwide. Quite a membership, represents the majority of global oil production. We're responsible for quick deployment in the event of oil spill. And this is one such aircraft that would be used. You'll see at the rear end of the 727 some spray booms, a bit like farmers would use. Well, that will put out the detergent that will break down the oil and minimise damage to the environment, of course, to fishing stocks and damage to the beach and birds and the whole environment. There is our toilet for spray water. Told me not emailed it to me. She's sitting 2 yards from me and emails it, and I will read the email and you could have said it yourself. Right. Youth of today, modern little devices. Get out. 727 fitted with internal tanks, pumps and spray room to deliver the dispersant liquid. The advantage of using a jet like this is it's fast in the cruise. It can crack along at a good speed to get on site quickly and efficiently and deliver quite a lot of weight in the way of dispersant. Seven now, clear back down.
Oh, it's what you mean, yeah, for sure, yeah.
727, as I say, very efficient passenger aircraft these days. Millions of passengers on all sorts of flights, from long flights to short hops. Just Boeing jetlines trying to go rigorous fatigue testing as well. So you've gone from the 787 to the 727, quite a spread in the Boeing products in this centenary. Looking on the big screens, leading edge devices deployed, trailing edge devices, all making that high speed wing into a slow speed wing, coming in for the landing, also into the takeoff. Keeping the air very nice and neat over the wing.
Das ist alles